If you want 10k bonus, then you would need to. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Being Ananya. And this video is going to be about primers assessment, primers trainings, primers modules, etc. So let's get started. So what are primers? Primers are basically modules which are provided to you before onboarding. So basically it has various languages in it. So after you receive your date of joining mail, that is DOJ mail, you after 2 or 3 days you receive your primers. It might take more days in some cases as well. So basically you get primers. Primers में क्या होता है? Primers are basically modules which contains of various subjects, or let's say languages, which you need to have skills before you join Accenture. So this is what they demand. They demand that you should know these particular languages, or you should have these basic skill sets before joining, before onboarding. So आपको date of joining मिली. After that you get your primers. It basically has many languages like Java, RDBMS. There can be Agile, DevOps, and many more. So basically you need to perform these primers before getting onboarded. The purpose of Accenture providing you primers is that they demand that you should know this skill set beforehand, before onboarding, before joining. So basically this is for enhancing your technical skills, and of course there will be assessment held of this primers later on. So basically there is a time period in which you will have to complete these primers. आपको उसी time period में you'll have to पूरा आपको complete करना होगा इन primers को, which is round about 3 weeks I believe. So you need to start completing these primers. So you need to start completing these primers as soon as you get them, because after onboarding, like after 10 days of onboarding, within 10 days, there will be primers assessment held, and उसमें you'll have to attempt it. जो primers का assessment होता है. So if you clear this assessment, primers assessment, of course you get the stated bonus as well. And but for that bonus and इस पूरे procedure के लिए आपको primers भी 100% complete करना होगा, and then of course you'll have to clear the primers assessment as well. So basically this is of 20 marks, 20 questions are asked. So 12 on 20 are the passing marks. You should score 12 on 20. So that is how it is. And as far as in my case, I did not appear for primers. Yes, I did not. क्योंकि आई बिलोंग टू सेल्स फोर्स डेवलपमेंट, SFDC डेवलपमेंट, मेरे को चॉइस आई थी, एंड दिस वॉज अ होल complete different process. So but of course I had to appear for Salesforce exam, which is equally difficult, like way more difficult actually, because usme it is proctored. You have to be, so when I actually onboarded Accenture, I was certified Salesforce developer. So that is equally very difficult, rather more. Once you are done with your primers assessment, there comes training, which is stream training choice. आपको वो बोल सकते हैं टू चूज़ कि आपको इन स्ट्रीम्स में से कौन सी चूज़ करनी है, कौन सी ट्रेनिंग आपको चाहिए. एंड दे माइट आस्क यू टू चूज़. अब ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि कुछ फ्यू ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स, दे वर नॉट प्रोवाइडेड द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू चूज़. सो जो उनको मिला वो उनको मिला. So you may or may not get the choice. If by chance अगर किसी का प्राइमरी असेसमेंट फेल हो जाता है, and if somebody is not able to clear, don't worry, you'll have 6 months of duration or time period for your training, for the stream training, so you can cover it over there, because you will be having tests over there as well. So it is all about managing. And to all those की how to complete primers, I have my friends जिन्होंने complete किया था, so it is certainly possible to complete it before onboarding, and it is better that you complete it before onboarding, so that in onboarding you can actually enjoy, you can actually experience it light minded. Okay, so next question is, what score you require for getting 10k bonus. तो अभी जिनको भी 10k bonus चाहिए, so basically what happens is 12 on 20 are marks for passing your primary assessment. So there are people who actually top these exam, at least that is what I've heard. So basically if you top this exam, or if you have scored above 16, then above 16 on 20, then Accenture will directly assign you 10k bonus with your first salary. So that is how it is, not first, but yeah, it will assign you 10k bonus with your respective salary of the month. So yeah, that is how it is done. So if you want 10k bonus, then you would need to actually ace the exam. So if you have any questions or doubts, you can ask in comment section. And I think that was it for this video. Yes, that was it for this video. We have covered what are primers, primers assessment, what scores do you need, and what scores do you need for bonus. So yeah, I think that was it. If you have not watched my onboarding experience, you can watch it, and I've also made a video on details of onboarding. You can watch that too. And what else? Yeah, I think we're done for today. So yeah, that is it. I hope you like it. Toodles.